This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Delano Sprinter 24TT is a Class C RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach Delano Sprinter 24TT is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.